Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to check on someone's bio, TikTok bio. So where do you actually find their bio and how do you actually edit it yourself basically? So let's go ahead and open TikTok. So the bio can be found basically, let's say this is a profile of a friend of yours or someone you'd like to follow. Let me just use my own profile instead so I could show you guys how to actually edit your bio as well. The bio is this one on the middle right here. You see the orb? That is the bio right here. Now on the bio you could describe whatever it is you'd like to input here, or you could basically add a link as well, link on the bio, so to say, if you want to advertise a product or you're selling or whatever, or basically connect Facebook. That's just basically it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.